Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Asawang Filipina, and again to this vlog we're gonna unbox the package from Amazon. So here's my package from Amazon today delivered. So we're gonna unbox this one and I'm so excited what's inside. So let's get started. For today's vlog is we're gonna unbox this box, of course, from Amazon. So there's two set of stuff, this one and this one. So this package is from one of my subscribers who are very supportive to my vlog, especially for my stuff for driving videos. So he inspired me to do more driving videos. This one's also, I'm gonna use this one for my vlog. So let's gonna unbox it together, and I know you are very excited. But first, I want to thank you for the person who sent this box for me. So he ordered it to Amazon and sent it today. So it's just arrived today, and I'm waiting for 2 weeks for this one, and I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, it's different in the pictures than in real. So let's get started. So first we're gonna unbox this one, and we're gonna fit this on because he ordered an anklet for my driving videos. So we're gonna open this one, and I know you're so excited. And of course, I'm also excited. So this is it, guys. My God, I'm so excited. Always excited. So if you want to help me for my driving videos, I put my PayPal account in my description down below. And oh my gosh, I have to see first. Then you can send me any amount so that we can buy a lot of shoes. And this one, oh my. So worth of question mark. I'm not gonna mention the amount, but it's expensive one. Oh my gosh, Lord. Oh my God. So thank you so much, Ken. So I'm gonna make pictures for this one first. So let's gonna open this one, and of course, before we open, let's open. Well, my daughter is still sleeping, so that's why my voice is quite low. So here it is, guys. So I know you're so excited. You're so excited, of course. The owner is so excited. Thank you for this one. It's a Christmas gift. It's already Christmas. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is an anklet, and this is not fake. It's real anklet. Real anklet. It's real gold. So thank you so much, Ken. So we have this anklet. So since we have this one, we're gonna try this on to my feet. Oh, this is really a good size because size 9 is too big, because I mentioned size 9, but this one is, look, this is just good enough. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. This is real gold. And then next is we're gonna unbox this one. So as far as I know, this is for my stuff, for my car, and for my laptop. So I'm just giving you hints. So I'm looking for my scissor. So let's unbox. I'm so excited. Even I know what's inside, I'm still excited. Just well, if you want to join to my membership, just click the join button and then click level 3 next to subscribe button in my channel, because I have some questions that we cannot see the join button. It's just like when you open my channel, it's just right there. You can see it directly if you know how to read. Because I saw a lot of messages for that they cannot see it. But then if you cannot see it also, you can just go to Google account. Google account. You can just search it to Google and then find like where to find the subscribe button in the YouTube channel. So that's simple as it is. So here we are. We're gonna unbox this box. So what do you think it is? Oh my gosh, I think this is the mouse. I'm so excited. Expensive stuff from Amazon. So thank you so much again. So see, I only have one person to take this all. Oh, this is for my kind of adapter to plug in the, like this one. I like this one. I can put my different cell phone for this one. I don't have to directly put into the laptop. I don't know. I forgot the name. I call it adapter. This is what we unbox for the first box. And again, thank you so much. I thank you for everything you do for my channel. You inspired me a lot. And of course to my viewers. So I have also a charger. And charger adapter. Charger for what? I don't know, for a laptop charger? Or nose charger? So I have to ask for this one. I'm so naive for the expensive stuff. Charot. So again, next is the car mount charger. Maybe it's for the car. So I have a lot of stuff here and you cannot relate, I think. You cannot relate. But this is the car mount. So I have to put myself on this one, and here I have charger, and at the same time I can plug this one in there. And okay, let's just open this one so that you can see. So I had to sit down because I'm doing like this. So okay, I'm not good in this, but I have some mount here. This is for the cell phone for the car, and this one you have to attach at the back for holding. Now I see it. Wait, I have to, because I break the other one. Okay, it's done. And then this ball, you have to put it here. I cannot put, so you have to detach first this one, and then you have to, there, it's done. It's attached now. And then this one is for the car. So I'm afraid to break again. So next we unbox is, so far we have everything, this one, and I'm gonna make pictures later on. So next, oh my gosh, this one, what is this? Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. So here what we have now. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. So what do you think it is? It's for the mouse. I forget I have the mic here with me. So another mount for the car. Really strong one, but I'm gonna use this one as a spare in case I damage the other one. This is also flexible. So thank you again so much for everything that you do to my channel, because he really helped me out to continue vlogging for driving videos, and for my shoes that you are watching. So it's from him. Thank you so much. And then here we are. We have this one. We only need to find the mouse. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, I found something. Is there a mouse? I don't know. What's the use of this one? It's to move the mouse like this, but I'm looking for a mouse. A mouse. Well, anyway, doesn't mind. Oh my god, there's another. I know what is this. It's another anklet, but we'll see. I'm gonna unbox it again. I'm gonna go closer to you guys. So, top grills. So this one, we're gonna open it. And this is so nice. It's nicer. It's nice box than the original one. But this one, of course, my gosh, Charlotte. And we're gonna fit this on again. This is also an anklet for my driving. He bought a lot of shoes and bags. Bags. Oh my god, so beautiful. Here it is. This is what we have. This is also an anklet. I think I like this more. I'm gonna fit this one. I'm gonna wear this one, I mean. This is beautiful. So this is what we have. Oh, see? Let's gonna foot, pull out the other one. Then later on, we're gonna make pictures for this. And then let's try this. I like this one. And of course, I like both. But this one is more thicker. And okay, hala. I thought it's small, but the fitting is really perfect. The other one is longer. And I have to, okay. This is more strong. Oh my God. Look at, look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. So what else we need to unbox? This is also beautiful, of course. This is original. Original. It's real gold. So, oh my god, I expect a mouse, but of course I'm not complaining. I was just like expecting something that will move, but I have a mouse there, and it's free from the laptop, the gaming laptop. He also bought that for me. He bought a lot, like almost everything what I need in the house, in my vlogs. So thank you so much for everything that you do, and very supportive friend I found in my channel. And of course, to everyone there who are watching, thank you so much for watching my videos. And yeah, stay positive, work hard, make it happen. I will. So that would be all for now for the unboxing video, and thank you everyone, all of you, for watching my channel, and I hope to see you next vlog. I'm gonna keep uploading driving videos. Bye, love you all.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.